Have you ever wished for a magical formula that could grow your money exponentially, almost like a spell from a wizard's book? Look no further than the enchanting world of compound interest. Often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, compound interest has the power to turn small investments into substantial wealth over time. Imagine your money multiplying itself effortlessly, like a never-ending chain reaction of financial growth. In this article, we will unravel the secrets behind this money growth magic and explore how harnessing the power of compound interest can pave the way to financial freedom and abundance. Understanding compound interest, how it works. Think of compound interest as a financial multiplier. The longer you leave your money to grow, the greater its potential to multiply exponentially. This means that starting early and being patient are key ingredients in maximizing the power of compound interest. The longer you keep your money invested, the more powerful this effect becomes, thanks to exponential growth. The basic formula for compound interest is answer equals P times 1 plus R divided by N, raised to the power of NT, where P equals the principal amount, R equals rate of interest, T equals time in years, N equals number of times the amount is compounding. Let's consider an example to illustrate this. Suppose you invest $1,000 in an account with an annual interest rate of 5%, compounded quarterly, N equals 4, and you leave it untouched for 10 years. Plugging these values into the formula. A equals 1,000 times 1 plus 0.05 divided by 4, to the power of 4 times 10. A equals 1,000 times 1 plus 0.0125, to the power of 40. A equals $1,643.62. Calculating this out will show how compound interest can significantly increase your initial investment over time. Please note that taxes and fees may affect actual investment returns. Benefits of compound interest, long-term wealth building. Compound interest is often hailed as the secret sauce to long-term wealth building, and for good reason. The beauty of compound interest lies in its ability to snowball over time, turning small investments into substantial sums. By reinvesting the interest earned back into the principal amount, individuals can accelerate their money growth exponentially. One key benefit of compound interest is its potential to beat inflation. As your money grows, it outpaces the rising cost of living, allowing you to maintain and increase your purchasing power over time. This means that even relatively modest contributions made consistently can lead to impressive wealth accumulation down the line. It's not just about saving. It's about harnessing the multiplying effect of compound interest to secure your financial future. Strategies to maximize compound interest. Investing tips. One effective strategy to maximize compound interest is to start investing as early as possible. By taking advantage of the power of time, even small investments can grow significantly over the long term. Additionally, consider diversifying your investment portfolio to spread risk and potentially increase returns. This way, different assets can work together to accelerate your wealth growth through compound interest. Another key tip is to regularly reinvest your earnings and dividends back into your investments. This compound effect can snowball over time, significantly boosting your overall returns. Moreover, stay informed about market trends and adjust your investment strategy accordingly to optimize for growth potential. Being proactive and adaptable in your approach to investing can help you harness the full benefits of compound interest efficiently. Real-life examples of compound interest at work. One of the most fascinating real-life examples of compound interest at work is the story of Warren Buffett, known as one of the most successful investors in history. Buffett famously started investing at a young age and credited much of his wealth to the power of compounding. Through consistent contributions and reinvestment of dividends over several decades, Buffett's wealth grew exponentially, showcasing how small amounts can snowball into significant sums over time. Another compelling example is that of ordinary savers who diligently contribute to retirement accounts. By consistently investing a portion of their incomes and allowing their money to compound over years or even decades, these individuals can amass substantial savings for retirement. This demonstrates how anyone, regardless of income level, can benefit from the magic of compound interest by starting early and staying committed to their financial goals. The key lesson here is that patience and discipline in saving and investing can lead to remarkable wealth accumulation through the power of compounding. Common myths about compound interest debunked. Myth: compound interest is only for the wealthy. Truth: compound interest is accessible to everyone, regardless of income level. Starting early and consistently adding even small amounts can lead to significant growth over time. The key is to let your money work for you by reinvesting the earnings generated through compound interest. Myth: investing in compound interest requires a large initial sum of money. Truth: you don't need a lot of money to benefit from compound interest. Even starting with a small investment and regularly contributing more can result in substantial growth over the long term. The important factor is consistency rather than the size of the initial investment. Myth: compound interest is too complicated for the average person to understand. Truth: while compound interest may seem complex at first, its basic concept is simple: earning interest on both your initial investment and any accumulated earnings. Many financial tools and calculators are available online that can help individuals visualize how compound interest works and plan their investments effectively. Harnessing the power of compound interest. By understanding the magic of compound interest, we unlock a world of potential growth and financial empowerment. The power lies in letting our money work for us, multiplying over time through the snowball effect of earning interest on both the initial investment and accumulated interest. This ever-expanding cycle can lead to significant wealth accumulation if harnessed wisely. As Albert Einstein famously said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Incorporating regular contributions to investments or saving accounts can amplify this effect, showing that even small amounts consistently invested can grow exponentially over time. The concept of delayed gratification comes into play here, sacrificing immediate consumption for long-term financial security. By starting early and being patient, individuals can leverage compound interest to pave their way towards a prosperous future. It's not just about saving, it's about setting up systems that allow us to benefit from our money working diligently on our behalf. In conclusion, embracing and understanding compound interest is key to achieving financial stability and building wealth gradually over time. By adopting a mindset that values long-term gains over instant gratification, individuals can harness this powerful tool to secure their financial future with confidence and resilience. The journey towards financial freedom starts by recognizing the transformative impact of allowing your money to multiply through compounding, a timeless principle that has the potential to change lives for the better.